We're an outdoor living supply company. We supply anything from pavers, lighting, outdoor audio. I really like to see things completed from start to finish. One thing we pride ourselves on here at Watson Supply is the relationship we have with our contractors. We're never looking for just a sale, we're always looking for a partner. We feel that our contractors make more money working with Watson Supply than they would with anybody else. We consider ourselves a full-service hardscape vendor. With the staff we have on hand, we can help with designs and hardscapes, lighting, or irrigation. With our multiple trucks, we can make deliveries all day long and take care of our customers and get them their products in a timely manner.
We communicate on a regular basis with our distributors, which I think helps, again, manage expectations both from the contractor's perspective as well as the supplier. The support that they give us is outstanding. It's less about cost and more about service.
One of the things that I do here at Watson Supply is I'll go out and I'll make site visits. So if a contractor calls and they have a problem either with lighting, hardscaping, or irrigation, I will go out there, try to troubleshoot that job with them, help them solve that problem so we can make their customer happy.
We actually just today ran short on a little bit of product with one call to Watson. They've got another pallet on hand and we're actually getting ready to pick it up. It has to be a two-way street, and developing a good relationship with your dealer is paramount in the success of your business and the installation of the products.